Is this the best hairdryer you can get, and is it value for money? Well, watch this video to find out. I never thought I'd make a video review for a hairdryer, but then my wife said,
I'm getting Dyson hairdryer.
So I asked her, is it any good? And she said,
all the reviews I read said it's excellent, and they also say that once you use it, you won't go back to using your old hairdryer.
Well, who am I to argue with that? So we got this, a Dyson Supersonic Hairdryer in Topaz Orange, which came in a purple presentation case. Straight out the box, and the first thing you notice about the hairdryer is its design. There is no motor in its head, instead there's this, well, cylinder. The V-line digital motor that powers the hairdryer sits in its handle, spinning at up to 110,000 revolutions per minute, moving 13 litres of air every second. Numbers that don't mean much to most people, but they do sound impressive. Air is sucked through the filter here at the bottom and passes through the handle and out through the nozzle at the front. And thanks to what Dyson calls air multiplier technology, they claim it amplifies airflow by up to 3 times. Now this is done by including surrounding air that's at the back of the cylinder, inside the cylinder, and at the front of the nozzle, with the airflow being pushed out by the hairdryer. At the back of the hairdryer are 2 buttons allowing you to control the heat and fan speed, along with a 3rd button which reduces the heat when it's pressed. Included in the head is what Dyson calls intelligent heat control, which is essentially a small thermometer that measures the exit air temperature 40 times a second, regulating it accordingly, preventing heat damage to your hair. And perhaps one of the best things we like about this hairdryer is Dyson have magnetised the attachments, meaning they simply clip on and off. Pretty cool, huh? And it's thanks to this overall design and inbuilt technology that Dyson claim their hairdryer is engineered to protect hair from extreme heat damage, increase smoothness, improve shine, and decrease frizz and flyaways compared to letting your hair dry naturally. However, it's not cheap, but then Dyson have invested millions of dollars into what is probably one of the best hairdryers you can currently get. And by the time of its launch, Dyson had sent the engineers that worked on the hairdryer to beauty school so they could understand how professionals use hairdryers. Aesthetically, the hairdryer comes in several different colours, with their latest being this Topaz Orange, which with its metallic effect and gold buttons looks fantastic, although I'm not a fan of the presentation box which this hairdryer came in, as aside from looking nice, it's not particularly useful. The hairdryer also comes with 5 attachments which cater to all hair types and are designed for smoothing, definition, focus styling, waves and scalp protection. Which attachment you need will depend on your hair type and what you are trying to achieve. So what is it like to use? Well, it took my wife just over 3 minutes to dry her hair and a further 2 to 3 minutes using the flyaway attachment, and the result looked like this. Now compare that to the result using our older Remington hairdryer, which took almost 4 minutes to use, and you can see a difference. Now I don't use the hairdryer myself, but my wife does, so rather than me tell you what she likes and doesn't like about it, I'll let her do it.
I love it. It makes my hair shiny, smooth and soft. The attachments are magnetic, so they're easy to use. I love the fact that it comes in so many different colors. Ultimately, it makes it easy for me to manage my hair, so I definitely recommend it.
So this brings us to the question, should you get one? Well, this will depend on your budget and whether you feel the benefits a Dyson hairdryer offers outweighs its cost, but for ourselves it does. And that's it. The Dyson Supersonic Hairdryer, probably one of the best hairdryers you can currently get. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe below and hit that like button. The support you give by subscribing to the channel allows me to keep making videos that help you, and it is very much appreciated. Thank you.